Here's my quick review of the Farberware Classic Wood Rolling Pin. So first off, I've had this for almost 8 years. It's really withstood the test of time. I'm a baker, so I use this as often as I possibly can, and it's still going strong after 8 years. This is a staple to have in any kitchen. If you don't already have a wooden rolling pin, you're gonna wanna make sure you have one because you can use these for everything from baking cookies to making pizza to making pasta, just about anything you possibly need to roll your dough out with. One of the features I really like is that it's 360 degrees rollable here. It rolls all the way through. It's really easy to clean. And like I said, this one has really withstood the test of time. I've had this for 8 years. Overall, I highly recommend getting yourself one of these classic rolling pins by Farberware. They're a great brand. They do a lot of different kitchen items. And like I already said, it really withstands the test of time. Highly recommend you get one of these for anyone who doesn't have one yet in their kitchen. It's a staple.